Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you an easy, delicious egg fried rice recipe. I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. So these are the list of the ingredients and they will be in the description box. So here I'm adding 3 egg yolks to some rice. I'm adding some garlic powder, some onion powder, some chicken bouillon, some pepper flakes, and we're gonna mix everything well. Everything that I use will be in the description box. That is what it looks like. Then to a preheated wok, I add some oil and some onions. Allow this to cook for about 1 minute. When it becomes translucent, we are going in with some garlic and ginger. Continue to stir for an additional 30 to 35 seconds. Then add some chili peppers, some green onions, allow it to cook for an additional 30 seconds. Looks and smell absolutely amazing. After which we are going in with our frozen corn, carrot, and peas. Now we are going to cook this for about 2 minutes, then you're going to add a little bit of soy sauce. Now you can omit the soy sauce, but to me it makes it taste even better. Then we're going to add the rice to the hot wok and continue to stir. Now we want to allow the egg to cook all the way through. Then I pour the egg whites in the center of the rice and scramble that a little bit so we can see, little bits and pieces of egg within the rice. This looks absolutely amazing. You can adjust your seasoning. I do hope you guys subscribe to my channel, like, share, and comment. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.